I just got the Roomba Combo i5, and that means it is a vacuum and a mop in one robotic piece. I am so excited about this, and in this video, I'm gonna unbox it and just show you how to set it up. Let's go. Here's how it looks when it comes right out of the box. You have the main machine right here. It is a beauty. On the back, you can see this little spinner that will help it figure out where it is. The main spins right here, and here are its wheels and its other wheel. I'll get to this in more detail in just a moment. It also comes with its charging base. This is super sleek and simple. It's actually exactly what I wanted. You can get bases that will collect everything as well, but I plan to hide this under my couch, so I wanted the small, sleek base. Right here is your drip tray. So this is an important piece that you'll need to use with your base. And in the back right here, you have another box you can open up. And this is your combo bin. This is the bin that turns it into a mop. This is so cool. You have the way to add liquid right here. And then the bottom here, this is where you can add your mop fabric. And that's this piece right here. It really is just a microfiber soft cloth that is designed to connect to the Roomba. It just pops right on with the Velcro. Make sure it's on there real nice and you're good to go. So to start, you're gonna put together your drip tray. And that really is just sliding this right in so it's ready to go. And now it's plugged in and the green light is on. Now to wake up the Roomba and to charge it, it wants to charge on these two contact points right here, and those connect to those right there. And it already connected. You can see immediately that it has lit up here. Now it's time to download the app. I have now downloaded the app, and I'm gonna set it up. Choose US, agree to terms and policies, and I actually sign up. This is my first Roomba. I'm so excited. So I will sign up and create my account. So then to set it up, I just scan a QR code on its quick start card. So I'll do that real quick. Now once I set it up, all it wants is my charging station, my robot, and my Wi-Fi password. And it wants you to start it exactly where you want to place it to begin with. Obviously this is not the final spot, but I'm doing this for now. And then it'll automatically connect to your Wi-Fi, but you will have to give it your password. Okay, and then to activate the Roomba, you want to hold down the spot button and the home button at the same time. And I'm telling you right now that if you're really excited when you open this up, you have to be patient. The setup is a little slow to get through. That's it, my robot is ready to go. Before I press clean, let's see what else it says. I can call it Roomba. Maybe I'll give it a different name later on. Welcome to the world, Roomba. Roomba will clean in systematic rows across center of rooms and then the edges. It will learn and create an interactive smart map of my home while it cleans. And then once it creates out those smart maps, I can tell it to clean specific rooms. So I am definitely going to move it into its position now before I hit clean. Now it will not go downstairs, but I do have some high thresholds on my main floor, and I will be curious if it can get over those. It is now cleaning my house for the first time. It's really quite entertaining. It is noisy, so know that. I will probably have this run when we're not at home. But it's already cleaning up all the dirt. This floor is actually pretty filthy, so I love that it's just getting it all clean. And it is smart enough to get under those tables. It paused for a moment and then it decided, hey, I can do this. So it got right in there in those places I really don't get around to cleaning as much as I should. I gotta be honest, right now I am really impressed with this. I'm gonna do another video later on where I show how well it's scoped out my home and the mopping process.